Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to talk about the Resolute of Resolution. You know, we're all about resolution. That's our mission statement. That's what we're all about. Drives people nuts half the time. I get it. What do you think it does to us? You know, because everybody wants to compromise. And what they don't understand is that compromise, that misstep, will hurt you in the end. How bad it hurts depends on how many times you trip and fall. The goal is not to try to fall at all. People don't plan to fail, they fail to plan. We see it all the time. And that's an expensive strategy. Think about it. There's multiple layers to resolution, and you got to be really steadfast and focused. The elevator to success is out of order. You got to take the stairs one step at a time, and you can't skip steps going up. You got to take each one because the step you take was built on the step you just last took. So you have to be very, very careful here. You got to have a strategy. Room resolution demands a strategy. If you don't have a strategy, you're just using tactics without an end result or a goal. Maybe that tactic's going to work for the goal. Maybe it's not. You can't leave things to chance. You got to know step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. I built enough rooms, trust me on this one. Spears and arrows. Got 6 surface areas attacking us. Spears, low frequency. Arrows, reflections. Got all these surface areas. Stand in the middle of the room and everybody's shooting at you. You got reverb, you got pressure, everything's coming at you. What do we got to do? We got to have the right rate level of absorption to get that attack and decay rate in the low end. To get that resolution of the low end equal to the resolution of the mids and highs. In both my 2-channel and multiple channel rooms, I can hear every fundamental note by itself. You get a bass guitar and a kick drum working together, I can hear them both together and I can hear them both separately. That's quite a thing. If you could get that in your room, it's wonderful. It takes a lot of work, okay? It's all about surface area coverage. Go low enough with the technology, get enough and have enough, okay? Tap, type amount, and position. Surface area coverage is critical variable, the most critical variable. You got to have enough. Even if it goes low enough, you got to have enough. That's a critical factor. We use 3 frameworks of resolution, 70, 80, 90. 70 is a hobbyist. Guy just starting out, 5 years experience maybe. Hobbyist mixing guy. 80% professional level mix engineer, 90% mastering level, and guys with 10 to 15 years listening experience. So you only want to have to work around percentages of problems. You want to solve most of them. We go after the big ones first. Project determines the type. Mix is 80. We already walked through that. And then here is something we've been using a lot of. We're doing a lot of DIY projects with the CAW, where we actually build our diaphragmatic absorption technology into the walls. You can watch it. It's number 30 on the projects page. Watch that video. That's where we take each stud space and make a diaphragmatic absorber. So the technology inside our ACDA series and our carbon panel, you can build into the wall. We vary the thickness of the carbon filter that we put in there. Watch that video. You'll see that structure that's going between the studs. That's what we call our carbon filter. So wherever that filter goes in the wall, depending on the frequency and amplitude of the problem, the thickness of the filter is increased. We got a 30 hertz problem in that area of the room. That's going to be a maximum filter thickness of 5 inches. We got a 40 hertz, we'll go 4. So we tune the room every 14.5 inches, because what is a wall? It's just a whole series of studs. These are all diaphragmatic absorbers. Now they're going to have some 30, 40 issues here, 50 cycle issues on this surface. So we tune the room. Nothing gets away when you tune the room every 14.5 inches, which is the distance between the studs. Nothing gets away. That's why we guarantee frequency response in new builds, whether it's DIY or we do it. You got to be steadfast and determined. It's worth the effort. I know it's a lot of work. I know it's a lot of steps, but the end result, you'll be able to sit in your room, press the play button, and all the work will be worth it. Immediately. You'll have no second thoughts, no regrets, and you'll have all that enjoyment from then on. And then, maybe you want some new gear. When you get a new room, you're usually pretty happy with your existing gear. And all the reasons you bought the gear in the first place come back to you because you can hear them again. So fix that room. The room is really critical. The Resolute of Resolution. Hope this helps. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.